Hello dear friends, this is Paul. Welcome on the new video update part 2 about the Galton game. It took again a few weeks to get back. My vacation is already over and I got time to make coding, and today I have already something interesting to show. Therefore stay tuned, and before I move on, please, if you are new here, subscribe to this channel and give like, as it helps to reach more people on YouTube. Last time I spoke about the Galton board you can see on the screen right now, and I showed the plan for the minigame searching for the patterns like you see on the screen right here. Everything you can watch on video number 9 part 1, where I sketch the game like you see on the screen. And today I have really something small interesting to show, so let's get started. You can see here the prototype of the game where we can put the number of layers. Then here I have the counter counting the cycles. Here I will load the initial parameters like its number of layers. Here I will start it, then I can monitor it, and I can also do it step by step. So for the first try we will keep the monitoring, we will keep it all the time, and also the stepping. And I will put the number of layers just 1, and the generator is just producing numbers 0 and 1 like a binary code, and the 0 represents left and 1 represents right in our case. And what you can notice, you don't need, or I don't need, any seed like in the gene, and this generator will also be used in the update gene 2.2. So I will load the initial parameter and then I will start it, and you can see the first number was produced is number 1, and again number 1, and the second or third number is, you see we have 3 numbers generated, is the 0. So it's already counting the sum of the numbers. I can continue 0, 1, and it's still working. Then what I will do is I can move it, that I will do it with 2 levels. So let's again load it. I will delete here the sum and again starting. So we have getting 0, 0 and 1 and 1, and when it gets 0, in our case it goes down 1 step, and if we get 1, it goes down 1 step and to the right, and again goes down 1 step to the right. In the updated and advanced version, it will look exactly like the Galton board like I had shown on this screen, but in the beginning I did it in easier way, that it's really still the first prototype. So it's working like this. And now we can move and make the 4 levels. Let's click load and start. And what we can look for is for the repeated patterns, like we have 0, 1, 0, 1. So let's see if we get some. And now we get one of the most difficult is the 1, 1, 1, 1. And here we are getting, so I can make it faster without the stepping, and you can see every falling ball is represented by different colors. For example, 0, 0, 0, 1, or we have 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. So there is no repeated patterns. Let's move on. So we have, for example, 1 1 0 0. That's a repeated pattern, and that's what will the mini game look for. And I can run it, end it. Now let's make 6 levels. Just load it and start it. I will try some stepping if I will see levels. Just let me delete the shape and start it. So we got 4 ones at once, and 1, yes, so that's we are getting, like we got 1 0 0 1 0 0. That's one of the patterns we can look for with 6 levels. And let's start it and run it quickly. And what you can already see here, with 6 levels we didn't reach, or now we reached the most difficult pattern, which are only zeros. We got it once, and 7 times we got the pattern where we have only ones numbers. And as I described in the previous video and you saw on the Galton board, it's really corresponding to the Galton board shape, that in the middle we have most matches, is more than 400 right now, and on the sides there is a minimum, but already these repeated patterns are there. And what I am looking for, as I mentioned several times, is for repeated patterns in the middle, which is most occurrence, something like 0 1 0 1 and so on. Now let's end it, and I will try to make, as a last example, 20 patterns. I will delete this. And let's make the first one with the stepping. Just click the load and start it. So we are falling down, and now we are getting, so it looks like pattern with zeros and ones and again zeros. And now the pattern was destroyed. So, and then there is a second ball falling down, and as I said, it goes down if it's 0 and to the left, and down if it's 1. And now let's make it much faster. So every color represents a different new ball. So what I need to do next time is to make it like a pyramid. That will be little not so difficult task, but still it needs some coding. And the second thing is to add the pattern that it will not only count the number of the hits in relevant column, but also it will count the number of selected patterns, how often this pattern is present in the generation. For sure, to make it much more faster, as we know in Gene, we can switch off the monitoring. I will not do it today, but we can switch it off, and then it's much faster, so we can get these results we are looking for much faster as well. So this is all for today, what I wanted to show. Thank you for watching and your attention. If you missed something, just watch this video again or the previous one to get a better picture about everything I am talking about. And before I finish, again, please subscribe to this channel that you will not miss new updates. The upcoming one will be the part 3. outside is really nice weather, so I still wish you nice summer and enjoy these days as much as you can, even in this COVID time, because I don't know if after the summertime the situation will be worse, that we will be again closed in our homes. Therefore, stay tuned and have a great time, and see you soon again.